Everyone, this is me and welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is a voice reveal and I know I sound so cringy, but oh well, let's start with the video. So I want to give out a trigger warning before starting reacting to r/gacha cringe, because I can't react to r/gacha life cringe without seriously swearing, because I'm currently balancing on my last brain cell and I have censored some of the words because they are bad. Trust me, you don't want to see them. I want to tell you what is wrong with this. Now, look at below, like the caption, like she just said frick and the dad is like so angry, like what, get over it, she's growing up. Make it show like it's a big mistake, like not the people, like not the majority of the people, like they don't swear, like it's a like grave mistake. Yes, dad, I swore, I said frick, although that's not swearing, but dad, please don't come me. Like what? Just look at this. Like I'll be an idiot, I'll be a baka if I like point out what's wrong with this. Look at that guy, he's like in heat. Why do these people make this? Like they're destroying the gacha community. Now, look at the caption above. The wife is apparently 11. I don't know what to say. When I was 11, I didn't even figure out my sexuality. And these people, they're like, I don't know if I should be worried, because I'm seriously concerned about what they're doing. Like, what, like, it's like just like out of logic. It's like not even in gacha logic anymore. It's like logic has left a chat. This is not fucking bullshit. I don't know what is. Imagine like you're minding your own business. You're like going through the school hallway and you're like going to your maths class, and suddenly you see these bazingas there. These people with bullcrap inside their head. What are you going to do? Like what? Like I support LGBTQ. Like I'm part of LGBTQ. But like this has gone too far. Like this is basically sexualizing the gay community. Like what is wrong with you? Like they are normal people like we all are. I literally want to kick them in the face. Like what? Like stop it, you're like destroying the whole gacha community. Let's all like start a movement like kicking them in the face, like yeah, like throwing them off a building or something. Also, disclaimer, this is just a joke. Please just don't remove my video. I know you have a bad history of removing videos unnecessarily. Whoa, okay. Now don't get me started on why this is wrong. Like these two people, like they are real people, like George Not Found and Dream. Like I think you must have heard of them. I don't know. They're like YouTubers, Minecraft YouTubers, and they are real people. Like don't mess with like real people. Like this is already wrong. You're like interfering their love life and like shipping them with people you want. Like ship the characters, or like just don't do it. This is like interfering with their love life. This is like not good. Yes. Why the fuck would you like make Dream suicidal? Like what? Like they're family friendly YouTubers like George Not Found, Dream, and everyone. They have not like mentioned any suicidal thoughts right now. Like anytime. This is like so fucking bullshit. Like you can just make every character suicidal. Like that is so wrong. Like seriously. Again, Heat has entered the chat. Welcome back, Heat. I wish I could just hang you by the neck. Disclaimer, this is just a joke. I need to keep reminding YouTube about this. Also, like what are they doing? Like I've seen these in like a lot of Heat videos. Like people, like they're like Heat keeps getting on my recommendation and I keep mass reporting it, but like this posture, I don't even know what it is, but I know it's something sexual, I think. Now please fucking stop. Like I have more reasons to give up on my life, and because of this Heat, this like you're not animal, you're not an animal, you're not an animal, get over it. Now suicidal thoughts. Marinette, like she's going through a lot maybe, like, but like she's a strong character. As much as I know her, she's very strong. Like I've seen in this gacha MLB videos, like the edits are really cool. Like this should be an r slash wasted talent. Now, so first of all, like Adrian, like for example, like most of the gacha videos, like really in most of these gacha videos, like these suicidal gacha videos, if I like add it up. Now they are like Adrian like rejects Marinette, says that she's just a friend, and Marinette's like, time for me to jump off a building, and like she jumps, and then these people like they jump at her, try to save her and all. Like suicidal Marinette is a strong character. She's like very strong. She will not just jump off because some boy rejected her, you know. Ah, yes, our daily dose of Yonder Simulator, Heat. What would we do without Heat? Like, our life will be a lie if we didn't have Heat. Basically, a lot of wrong things are going on in this picture. Let's just look at this. There's a lot of things wrong going on with this picture. So basically, Senpai is looking at them thighs, and like he's like simping. He's like a mega simp here. He's in Heat. And he's not an animal if I add that up. Like seriously, that's a freaking human. Like they're not real, they're fictional. But what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Like I'm serious right now. If you don't stop, Senpai will send Ayano to like, I don't know, murder you. Disclaimer, YouTube, please don't cancel me. Whoa. Back it up, Olivia the mage. Now what is Gacha Heat Pixie Dust? What is that? Can someone just explain it to me? Like, what is Gacha Heat Pixie Dust? From when is that a thing? Pixie. Like what? What is wrong with you? Look, Gacha is like, it should be like, you should not make 18 plus content in it because Looney literally says that it is a 10 plus app, like for 10 plus ages, yes. But like, you should not make Heat and like these are adult content. Like what are you doing, like making these vulgar things in like YouTube? Like seriously. And the worst thing is like they don't even like give trigger warning. Like the worst, like most of the Gacha Heat videos or any adult content, like some of them, like most of them don't even give trigger warning. They are just like 8 plus, and when people like click on it, like sometimes they click betas, like it's like they will write 8 plus, children will click on it, and then the Heat and adult content, like it starts. Just fucking stop. What the fuck? So after all this, after all the women rights movements, after everything, this comes down to like this: owning a woman. Like first one, like you're like doing a challenge or something, and the one who wins gets to keep the woman. Like the woman, like why is she like blushing? You should be like mad. 2 boyfriends or I don't know, husbands or anything, I don't know. Like they are trying to own you. Like you should be your own person, like an independent person. This is not anything quirky, or if you think it's like cute, like making this stuff, it's like disrespectful, like straight up disrespectful. Honestly, just fuck off. Like, no one needs these stuff. Like make good stuff. Like start a fresh start. Like make good content, and like not these disrespectful things. And like if someone tried to own me, I'd like take out my sandals, I'd like throw it at them, and I'd be like, just fuck off. Just seriously fuck off. You bazingas, you nuts. I don't know if I should be laughing. I'm really sorry. But the hip, like just look at it, like they just have like cut half circles from both sides. Like this trend, it has been going from a long time. Okay, not a long time, it just recently started, I think, but it's been like weeks, I think. Okay, so first of all, this trend, like I have no problem with it. Like no problem. Like this is like fictional stuff. But I want to make something clear. Corsets are definitely it's for good posture. It's not for like breaking your spine or something. You bazingas. Seriously, these people are nuts. Okay, so like the hip, I can't stop thinking about the hip. Like they just cut out 2 half circles from both sides. Like corsets are not that tight, like basically like that your hip like you'll like erase two parts of your hips. Bruh. Like this is literally a bruh moment. Like what the fuck is wrong with you? Like edgelord, like it's not edgy to beat people up. Like people talk smack about you, go up to them, you kill them, you become star platinum, you become Iron Man. I don't fucking care. But like why would you like physically hurt someone? Like you can like physically hurt someone when they physically hurt you, or you should not even do that. Like me, like people like hit me a lot in my school and lot, like they used to, but I never even like turned back and hit them. You not hit the person who hits you. Like what's the difference between you and the person then? Like you know how much pain you can feel if someone hits you, and you should not make others go through that pain as well. And basically if this person literally talk like smack about her, like they talk trash about her, it's nothing physical that she has to like go and beat them up. Like calm down, edgelord. Yeah, so now I had to like censor the word because like I don't want you all to like go through the pain I did. It's like physically painful to like look at this stuff. Like you may have guessed what is written under that, but well, if you have not, congratulations, you are safe. Because this physically hurts to like look at. Like what is wrong with you? Stop doing this shit. Can you feel how hard? Oh my god, shut up. No one asked. Any askers? No. Shut up. Stop ruining our children's game. Like millions, like not millions. I think I'm stretching it out, but like a lot of minors, like they play this game. If they come across this shit, they're like going to lose their going to seriously lose their brain cells. Like right now I'm balancing on my last brain cell, and now until till the video ends, my brain cell is going to be cut into half, because this is shit. This is seriously this like shit. Like you bazingas. I don't know why I'm calling people that, but seriously, y'all are bazingas, like who make this shit. Like what is wrong with you? Why would Marbucks be what? Okay, so for people who don't know, like the Powerpuff Girls, like PPG, we call it like an abbreviation. So like they are like a children's show. Like their age isn't that much. Like they're like children, like basically the minors. I don't even think they're teens yet. Okay, so Morbex is like the same age as these three people you see here. These three nuts you see here. Like not canon wise, but these people, like these bazingas, make them look like they're nuts. Okay, so she's a child. Why would she drink? God, please take me away. Take me away, God. I can't stay on this earth anymore. Like it's not even like legal for children to drink, I think. Why would a child be drunk? A literal child will be drunk. Why? Just why? Absolute nutcases. Stop this stuff. This is not even legal to like, it's not even legal for children to drink. Well, let's move on to the next. Yeah, so I saw the full post like from r/GachaLifeDrink. I saw the whole post. Basically this person who this girl is beating up is like basically the person who makes gacha heat and stuff. Now I seriously, like gacha heat, like these stuff, this must stop. But this edgelord, you're an edgelord, you know, like the person who made this is an edgelord. So ma'am, miss edgelord, please stop hurting people physically. Like it gives me physical pain like that. I'm like basically talking like I'm just trying to explain how bad gacha heat is, but basically you can't just like hurt someone physically. Like yes, they may make bad stuff, but they are still human inside and out. They are still human. So you can tell them to stop and do other shit, like tell them to stop, but you have absolutely no rights to like hurt them physically. Someday you nutcases, you bazingas, you nuts, you people will like kill me. It will be the reason for my death. These things are absolutely making my brain cells cut into 1/4. Let's continue. No! Dream! No, not Dream. Please! Don't destroy the MCYT fandom. Please. It's literally one of my favorite fandoms. Like every day I wake up in the morning, my morning routines, like literally I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth, I watch MCYT like while eating my breakfast, and then what do I do? And then the whole day I just watch like YouTubers, like Minecraft YouTubers. So now, please do not destroy any other fandoms, not even MCYT. Please, just stop. Just fucking stop. Just fucking stop. What is wrong with you? Why did you make Dream look so like an edge lord? Like literally like because Dream and Technoblade, these two people, like they literally have the dumbest Minecraft skins ever, and they are literally made into these people with into edge lords. Also, they're family friendly YouTubers. Like Minecraft YouTubers, they're family friendly. Like they may swear and all, but basically they're family friendly. They are still family friendly. So well, like they look cool just the way they are. You don't need to like make them like these abs and like make them into edgelords with girls dancing around them. Like they are perfect just the way they are. Alright, mate, that's a weird way to introduce our brother. Like, who introduces their brothers? Like, he's gay and top. Lol. Also, why are you blushing? This is kind of like Sweet Home Alabama-ish, but I don't really care anymore. I'm dead. I told you I was on my last brain cell, and now that brain cell's gone, and now I'm dead. Pray for me. You bazingas. You bazingas have killed me. Congratulations on killing me, absolute nutcases of humans. Bye. Actually, no, we have more reactions to well. I wholeheartedly agree with the caption. I need cat memes as well. I need cat memes. I need bleach as well. Give me bleach. Give me bleach. I need to bleach my eyes out. What is wrong with you? Like basically in this gacha fandom like basically these people like they are like you can love a person for the personality. You should not love them only for the body, you know. You should not love them for the body. Like look at these people like wow, you're so beautiful. I love you. Oh my god, please shut up. You absolute nutcases, you bazingas. And well, bye I guess. Like I think this is the last reaction I'm doing. I'll make more videos in the future. Like next video, like I'll post like the episode of like the Miraculous Holders episode, and then like I think I'll make more gacha r/gacha life cringe reaction videos because people enjoy me when I'm paining to watch these things. And yes, I enjoy making them as well because I get to fucking roast the shit out of them. Well, it's not technically roasting, but well, I like it when I can just storm off at like these gacha cringe creators. And please stop, don't destroy the gacha community. Bye everyone, have a nice day or night or afternoon or whatever time zone you're in. Bye.